Meaning of dome.
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 Dome. The word dome refers to a rounded or curved roof-like structure that covers a space, often found on buildings such as churches, temples, and stadiums. Domes can be made from various materials, including concrete, metal, and glass. They are often used for their decorative and architectural appeal, as well as for their practical purposes such as improving acoustics and providing natural light. Domes have been used in various cultures throughout history and continue to be popular in modern architecture.